Hello, I'm Mr. Michael, and thank you Rocket Science fans for joining our channel again. I do have a great box opening, unboxing for us today. It is a new Spike Prime Essential. It's the smallest Spike Prime that was just released in earlier September 2021. As you can see, this is younger age, 6+, has 449 pieces, and is set number 45345. So same size box as Spike Prime. This is the Essential set, kind of like the Brick Q Motion Essential and the Prime set as well. The Essential is for the younger group. Top card here, really nice and colorful. You can see the colorful elements there. And here's our top sheet here as well. As you can see, they did not do the elements in the same size. They followed up with the color parts in it and the other parts in the bottom tray. Yes, I can't wait to show you that piece there. Really exciting. I have not officially opened the box, but I am working on that. So I just want to give you guys a sneak peek in it as I go. I have not put the stickers on the top parts yet. These are separated again as well, which will definitely, and I've used this in class this year, in my in-person classes, and it worked out really well. It allows the students to have an opportunity to have builds on each other's side and not be able to move that whole tray around, which gets a little interesting sometimes. So I just want to give you a sneak peek inside of the box here. We have our numbered bags, which are going to go into our color. All of those there, I don't try not to rattle too much. And younger age, smaller wheels. You're saying how much smaller? Well, that much smaller. Yes, I know. That is amazing. We do have a new matrix system for the brick to plug into. I'll set that to the side and do some more explanation on that one. And here is our new Spike Essential size. Yes, that is the Spike Prime, and that's the Spike Prime Essential. So you can see the size of that. And the battery, 2 ports on the inside, on the side, and a plug-in part. The battery is really challenging to take out, so I want to have that already set up for you. It is rechargeable, as the Spike Prime was as well. And one of my other favorite parts is the new motor. The new motor is one of the first small motors I've seen. This is a regular medium motor and the new large motor that came around as well. So I'm really looking forward to doing some deeper dive into that motor for this set. Rechargeable cable, which is exciting. Color sensor, which works as well. 2 small motors, and not making too many crunchy sounds. All of the other elements, some nice base plates, and a lot of goodies in here. They even have the extras box, which I really like because look at all of that extras that's in there for the classroom. This makes a whole lot of difference if you're just doing some specialty sets for free building or creative building, or if you're missing parts, you won't have to go to that parts list and order those. So as usual, Lego Education always considers the teacher and the student, so your class flow can go really well. So stay tuned as I unbox the rest of this and break it out, show you the new coating. They've updated Spike Prime. The app is the same, and you just go in and you choose either Essentials on the left or Prime on the right, and you can go into blocks, or you can go into the scratch, or you can even still do the other detail coding as well. So thank you guys very much. I look forward to seeing you guys in the breakdown of this. Thank you so much.